So this morning we managed to get the furler and the front stay connected. That's now in position here. Had the help of Ryan from the marina. He does our rigging, so he's been up the mast and attached this at the top, and then we've cut it, and this was the fitting that we needed, the stay lock fitting just here, so that's attached.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And actually the cable wasn't over long, that's just the piece that we've had to cut off. But I think that's because the furler's been attached. And so now we've got the pad eyes fitted either side, one there for the turning block, one there for the anchor point. Just need to tidy this halyard up a little bit, but that's looking okay. Get out of shadows. Strong sun today, and up at this end with the clue, got turning block on, clamped back to the clue of the sail, and that's all down to the furler. So I've just got to check the genoa now to make sure we've not interfered with the genoa. It's just a light breeze, so we should be able to pull that out. Slightly on the head, so that's fine. So then we got the self-tacking jib sail up and sort of set right now. Now, next little job I want to do means doing some sewing. This is our topping lift, and this is, I think, was the main halyard. We pulled that down yesterday, so it's here. Doesn't run all that free, but that's fine. What I'm going to do is sew the end of the topping lift to this end of this redundant line and pull that up, and then we'll bring the topping lift back down through the mast and come out of there, and that will get rid of one slappy line. So I released the topping lift. I've just blocked up the boom, the back of the boom, just to give it some support so we're not putting too much weight on the kicker. So we got the top end of the halyard here. This was right at the top of the mast. This is the topping lift, so this is the back end of the topping lift. So what I want to do is stitch these two together, but like that, and we'll just get these out of the way. I'm inside because it's cold out, and I've got them coming through my hatch, so they'll be stitched right round, wrapped, because I can't have these come apart, because if this comes apart I'm in trouble. But we should be able to get this stitched firmly together, and I'll tape it Still needs to be reasonably flexible, but then we should be able to pull the other end of this, and this will pull all of the topping lift up to the top of the mast, and then back down and through inside the mast and come out. That's the plan, and it'll be sewn together with whipping twine. So I've just anchored the twine. This is where it gets fun. So carry on and go right the way around, backwards and forth like that. Right, so there we go. That's should be tight enough. What I'll do now is whip it around it, and then I'll put some tape over as well, and so that should be fine for pulling through. So that's whipped. Say that should be absolutely fine. I'll just put a layer of tape wrap around that, and then should be ready to pull through. So, a moment of truth. If not, I've got a climb to do. There we go. I had a bit of a scare for a second. I'll just end that off there for now. And I'll reset the tension on there. And that at the top of the mast you can't see from here, but that looks a lot better.